Hi, welcome to my channel, Jessica's Home. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button right here and leave a comment if you like. What we're gonna cook today is an easy meal. It is going to be baked salmon in my toaster oven, which means cleanup is just going to be a snack. Are 2 pieces of filleted salmon here, skin on, some dill, salt, pepper, butter or margarine, garlic powder, and some mayonnaise. We're also gonna need a lemon to serve with the salmon later. For our sides is going to be fresh blanched French beans. Our next side is going to be air-fried potatoes with fresh onions and herbs. Let's get started. We're gonna first butter our pan. Wanna spread it evenly on the pan. So you see that our pan is buttered. Gonna add some salt. Just a little sprinkle of salt. Some pepper. Garlic powder sprinkled. Sprinkle some dill. I don't want to put too much dill. Just kind of gently sprinkle it on top of the salmon. I'm going to move this and place it here. Let's see. It's perfect. I have about 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Just spread a thin layer over it. You don't have to put too much. I'm gonna stick it in my toaster oven. Set it to 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Cut up my potatoes to about an inch in size, about this big. Chop and a slice and half of onion. Put some rosemary, fresh rosemary. Fresh herbs are so fragrant. That's all we're gonna need. Just give it a couple chops. Some extra virgin olive oil, some salt, and pepper. to go. Okay. For the potatoes, we're gonna roast it. Turn it on, roast it for 375 degrees. For 40 minutes. Press start to preheat. So now that it's preheated, I'm going to put my potato in here, in the basket. So we'll let it cook. Now we're 15 minutes into cooking. It's a little bit brown. So we'll give it another 15 minutes. Okay, so this is a total of 15 minutes. It looks perfect. You see the crispy, how crispy it sounds. Turn it to broil and bake it for a couple of minutes until the top starts browning. Just going to blanch them for 3 to 4 minutes. Bon appetit! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you next time!